with 8.77% of the total combined votes. Kayo ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 4th Big Placer Duo. Congratulations! Third Big Placer ay nakakuha ng 22.91% of the total combined votes. Direct Lauren, Miss Choi, please do the honors.
Congratulations! Kayo ang third Big Placer Duo ng Pinoy Big Brother Collab Edition.
Ang ating second Big Placer Duo ay nakakuha ng 25.88% of the total combined votes. Habang ang Big Winner Duo naman ay nakakuha ng 33.03% of the total combined votes. Kasama natin ngayon, Tita Cory and Miss Annette. Please do the honors.
Kayo ang second Big Placer Duo ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Rawi!
Congratulations, Greta! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition Big Winner!
Judo Son ng Cavite, Ralph!
At ang Mama's Dream ng Cavite, Will!
Our second Big Placer Duo, Rawi!
Let's go, boys! Welcome back to the outside world! Our second Big Placers. Just quickly, ang ating mga boys from Etiba. Isang comeback housemate, isang tahimik na housemate. How does it feel to be second Big Placer?
Wow, Ate B, I have no words. Kundi, pasasalamat lang po ng sobra-sobra. Hindi ko po in-expect na makakaabot kami sa ganitong punto ng buhay namin, ng PBB journey namin. Kaya sobra-sobrang thank you so much po. Habang buhay ko pong tatanawin na itong pagkakataong ito, thank you so much.
Una-una, thank you Lord! Thank you Lord! Nakarating kami dito. Wow, sobrang overwhelming talaga. I am so blessed. We are so blessed to be in this position right now. Guys, never stop dreaming. Always fight for your dreams. Let's go. Let's keep going, everybody. I love you all.
Congratulations, Rawi! And of course,
Ang Gentilino Arthur ng Carla Brent!
ang controversial ka-favorite ng Pampanga!
Kapuso Kapamilya, our Big Winner Duo, Greta!
Welcome to the outside world!
Sasabihin kong Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo, kaya natin to. Sikat ang Pinoy, sikat ang Pinoy, sikat ang Pinoy, sikat ang Pinoy, sikat ang Pinoy.
Hi, we are BGYO.
Hi, I'm Rob Blackburn.
Hi everyone, this is Shania Gomez.
What's up? I'm Jaren.
Hello, I am Justin McClare.
Hey guys, this is Grace Hugay.
Hi, I'm Angela Ken.
For more videos, subscribe to the
ABS-CBN
Star Music YouTube channel.
And don't forget
to hit the bell button
for our latest updates. Thank you for watching!